Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting review of the brand new 2025 Honda NMAX 125. This scooter has been making waves in the urban mobility scene, and we're here to tell you all about it. So let's dive right in. 2025 Honda NMAX 125 comes with a fresh design that's both sleek and modern. With sharp lines and a sporty aesthetic, it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. The LED headlights not only look great but also provide excellent visibility on the road. One of the standout features of the NMAX 125 is its digital dashboard. It provides all the essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and trip details. Plus, with the keyless ignition system, starting your ride has never been easier. Powered by a 125cc liquid-cooled engine, the NMAX 125 offers a smooth and responsive ride. It's perfect for navigating through city traffic, thanks to its lightweight frame and nimble handling. The scooter also boasts impressive fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily commutes. Practicality is key when it comes to scooters, and the NMAX 125 doesn't disappoint. It features ample under-seat storage that can easily fit a full-face helmet and other essentials. Whether you're heading to work or running errands, this scooter has you covered. CM4 is another area where the NMAX 125 excels. The seat is well padded and offers great support for both the rider and passenger. Plus, the footrests are adjustable, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter your height. Safety is always a priority, and Honda has equipped the NMAX 125 with a robust braking system. The ABS anti-lock braking system provides enhanced control during sudden stops, and the advanced suspension ensures a smooth ride over bumps and potholes. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda NMAX 125 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and practical scooter. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend explorer, this scooter is designed to meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates. See you next time.